This project I have been putting off and putting off, but more and more every time I go to my refrigerator, I'm just looking at it like, oh, it's so gross. So I finally got the part that I needed and I'm ready. Thanksgiving's coming around. I want to give it a good cleaning before the holidays come, and I don't want to be thinking about this. So I am going to tackle this gross refrigerator today. Let me show you what we got going on. Please don't judge me. When we first moved to Texas, we were told that we need to bring our own appliances, and we couldn't possibly bring our own appliances. One, because we didn't own any, and two, we were making a cross-state move, and it would be too much for us to buy new appliances when we've never purchased any in the past. Apparently that's a thing in Texas to bring your own appliances, but so the landlord left these appliances for us. The outside is pretty dirty. Then this ice maker water thing we never use, and so the tray is pretty gross. Let's look inside. Look at this. Drawer is broken. This is the piece that I needed to replace. The shelves are gross. I don't even want to. You guys, this is like my oven, but my refrigerator, part 2. Look at all this. Look, ketchup, whatever that is. The main thing I want to do is, of course, throw away any old expired foods, any leftovers that we aren't eating, and then clean the shelves, replace this drawer, and then eventually I'm gonna find some liners to line the shelves. The plan is to go shelf by shelf and take everything out, throw away stuff I don't need, clean the shelf, and then replace it. Or we'll play it by ear and see how it goes. All right, guys, here's a closer look at the first 2 shelves. There must have been a spill or something back there. So I'm gonna take these out. This should be easy enough to take them out. I think they just kind of hook in. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Clean. Yay! I'm so ashamed of myself. Look at all this stuff, like this basil, this mint, dill, these chives. I bought all this stuff when I had our tea party, and we didn't end up using much of any of these. And I thought I was getting less by getting these packages, but still I'm wasting them. If anybody has a hack of how to like preserve herbs, just let me know. Look at this, guys. This drawer has so much crap in it. want to kind of reorganize the refrigerator shelves. I feel like it could be a better use of space. I think I want the drawer to be pretty much where it was. Look at all these leftovers that did get eaten that need to be thrown in the garbage. It's very wasteful and it's not a good thing to waste food. So we definitely have to do better at eating our leftovers and making sure we're not wasting food, because there are people out there who go hungry, and look at all this food we're about to throw away. So I feel really bad, but this food has gone bad and it needs to go out. Sorry. All right, guys, I'm gonna start putting a few things back, like the eggs, like right here, because we eat a lot of eggs. And actually, I'm gonna cut off the lid. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try something new here. I'm putting the eggs in this drawer here, because here's the thing with eggs. We eat a lot of them and pretty much every day. And I used to keep them in these containers with the lids, but I would come in the refrigerator and like they'd be in here empty, or the lids are half off, because it's not convenient for my husband or my daughter to kind of come in here, take the lid off, take the egg out, put the lid back on. They won't do it. So I'm trying to make it easier for them. And I figured I cut the lid off of this Costco set of eggs and just set the whole tray inside like this. And then that way also they don't have to take all these eggs out, put them in this container. You know, if we just take the egg carton, cut off the lid and put it in here, then this way when they need to get an egg, open the drawer, take the egg out, bam, done. Hopefully this works. All right, guys, now it's time to attack this broken bin. Oh my God. Ew, gross. It's so nasty. Oh, look at that one. This is the one I'm replacing, but look at what was inside there. Ugh. This is the part I didn't want to clean. So let's get it done. Before I start putting the refrigerator, last bit of the refrigerator back together, let me just make sure that this drawer will fit. Oh no, guys, this one is slightly bigger than the original one. I don't think this is going to work. I literally have waited all this time for this drawer, and I was so excited about not having to clean this one. All right, guys, so that drawer was a total fail. This is like the second drawer I've ordered that said it fits this refrigerator, and it did not fit. In fact, I tried to shove it in there and it got stuck for a while. So I'm glad that I was able to get it out without damaging the drawer so I can return it. So the hunt for the correct drawer is still on, but it's still clean. I gotta pause it right here. I gotta help my husband cook dinner. So I'll be back when I am putting the rest of this stuff away.
A few moments later.
We got some red pears. We can put avocados in here. For now. All right.
Somewhere in here.
Yogurts go like that. This is how the refrigerator is looking so far. I gotta clean that last drawer and put it down there. But I like this so much better. My husband already said he likes the eggs being here. So it's working. So I'm glad I moved the shelves around a little bit. I'm gonna wash this other container and put it back down there.
Several days later.
Hey guys. Actually, it's a little more than a week later. I've been working on some Halloween DIYs for the girls' room, but I'm ready to finish cleaning the refrigerator. It's been staying nice and neat and clean. So now I just need to clean the things that are on the refrigerator door, and then we'll be done.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens.
So excited when it's clean. It's so excited when it's clean. It's so excited when it's clean. It's so excited. I got avocado and it's clean. Excited when it's clean. I'm really pleased with the results. Everything is staying nice and neat so far. And I'll check back in once I get the liners and the drawer, let you know how it's working for us. But I am so happy to finally have a clean refrigerator. Woot woot.
Without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
So it looks like this tray just comes out. Look at how gross that is. I'm gonna go wash this and then put this back. After almost 2 weeks, I got all the shelves taken out. I got all the bins taken out. Got everything clean. I'm so excited to finally be done with this. I don't have to look at this gross refrigerator anymore when I open the door. If you guys want to see what we cook in the next vlog, stay tuned. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. When was the last time you cleaned your refrigerator? I want to know. How often do you do it? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy.
It's so exciting when it's clean. It's so exciting when